Today's video is called 5 Simple Steps to Create a New YouTube Channel. What I will be doing in this video today is covering steps 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we'll be setting up a new Google account, showing you step by step how to do that. From there, we'll be setting up a YouTube channel, a new YouTube channel, and setting up a Google account where you'll be customizing the channel using new artwork from Fiverr, and you'll also be showed how to use direct links to sales page on your new site that you'll be building in conjunction with the new Google site. So today's video, 5 simple steps to create a new YouTube channel. Step-by-step beginner in there. Stay tuned, and that you're going to learn how to create a new Google account and a new YouTube channel to make money with. That's today's video. Okay, of the 5 simple steps to create a new YouTube channel, the first step is going to be that you need to go, since YouTube is owned by Google, you're going to need to open a new Google account. And you may use the new Google account to set up an email as well that will match up with your YouTube channel. So what we're going to do first is I'm going to show you how to set up a new Google account. Okay, so for the next step, we're going to create a new Google account, which is basically setting up a new Google email account. So you can do it 2 ways. You can go and search Google like I did here. It'll tell you how to do this. It'll give you a link to do it. Okay, and the link from there, you can set the account up right here. And the other way is what I'm going to do is I've signed out on one of my Google Gmail accounts, and right here it says create account, and then it says for personal use, for my child, for work on business. We're just going to use personal use. Then what it wants to do is going to give you a first and last name. Okay, so I put my first name, last name in, hit next. Then they want a birth date. Doesn't have to be exact. I'm just going to put some information in. Just hit next. And then what you want, they want to give you a choice. They want you, do I want this for a Gmail account or this one? But I want to establish the Gmail account to match my domain. So what I'm going to do here is we're going to put the domain name in here. Okay, so the domain I wanted, I put in, it didn't work. So I just added 2 digits and numbers after it. And then I hit that. Now it wants my password. We're going to put the password in and then hit next. So I did that. The next thing it wants is the phone number. So put your phone number in. Now, if you have used your phone number for more than 3 or 4 other Gmail accounts, it may not let you use it unless there's been a time period of a couple years since you did it last. So I'm going to put another number in of a friend. I'm going to hit it, and it's going to send a text message to them. Okay, so I put the code in from my friend. The next step is it wants a recovery email address. Now, you can either skip that or next. I would say probably best thing to do is put one of your email addresses in there so they have it as a backup to let you know if something strange is happening with your account. Okay, then it wanted to verify the information, your recovery email address and phone number. Then they have privacy and terms. You want to read through this. I'm not an attorney, so I'm not going to recommend whether you agree with it or not. Totally up to you. There's options if you need them. I'm just going to say agree. And then what's going to happen is they're going to take you to, so I got to give it a few minutes. Okay, so now you've set up your new email account. It's a new Google account. Right here, you want to click on this and then manage your Google account. And then what it's going to do is go here. Now, click here and go to YouTube. And then what's going to happen is you're going to take it to YouTube. This is the main YouTube account. And then what you want to do is you want to create a channel right here. And this is how you'll appear at the moment. All this can be changed later, so just say create a channel. So it's creating a channel for you, and then check back in a few moments. So it took about a minute and a half, but here's your new channel. Here's what it's going to look like. Next, we're going to look at customizing your YouTube channel. Okay, so now that you've established your YouTube channel, we want to customize it and add some YouTube channel art, that kind of thing to it to build it out. So the first thing you want to do then is I would recommend going to Fiverr and check out the gigs that are available from people that do this for a living, and find one that will provide the type of ratings and the type of work you want done. Probably want to get some YouTube channel art done, so you get a banner and an icon, a logo, whatever. This is the one I get. This gentleman's done business with me for 4 or 5 years now. I usually order this. I would create a web banner, Facebook cover, YouTube channel art, Facebook banner, and he's always done well for me. I pay a little bit extra for it, but him and I work together, and that's what I would suggest next, is ordering YouTube artwork to add to your channel. Then once that's done, then what you can do is you'll have a site with professional look. This is my new professional YouTube channel art and my icon. And I have this on from my email icon and my website icon. We'll talk about the website in a second. What you're going to do with customizing your channel is come in here and you click on customize channel. And then what you're going to get is you're going to get 3 areas you want to deal with. One is the layout, which we don't want to deal with at the moment because you don't have any videos published. But the branding, you can put your icon in, and your YouTube banner can go here. And you also want to I use my icon usually, and choices of end the video, custom start time. But to put a video watermark for everything published in your site, that would be a good idea to do that. And then up here, once that is set, then you'll push published. And then you'll want to come to basic info, and you want to put in the title of and the handle. You can create what the handle is, and then you can write a description, like an about us, so people know what your channel is about. And then you have your channel URL, which I copy down so I have it pass on. And then you have anything to link out. I have a website, which we'll talk about next. And I have an about page, which I link that up to them. And then you have support. I have an email that was created from my website as well, so they can contact. And then I publish that. So my channel is ready to go, except for there's no videos published and there's no layout set up. But I have a rough structure and skeleton set up so I can start publishing content to it. Now the last thing is you're going to want to build a website. Now this is the website that my new email address is connected to, and this has here. Now reason you want the website is because what you're going to be doing is you're going to be publishing the video. Let's show you what that's going to look like here. So on your channel, then you link out to your site. The reason you have a site is you're going to link out. We're going to go to a video right here. I did this video, Simple Traffic Blueprint Review. And then this area right down here, the more information. This right here will take you to a sales page on my site. And that's what that'll look like. This is from my site, and then I can capture your email. And then they can click on here to go buy the product. And this is the product. So that's what you're using your site for, is to create links like that, made with pretty links. And by the way, if you want to hear about pretty links, I have a video that talks about using pretty links as a link shortener. Anyway, that is it for today's video. I hope you learned how to set up easily through 5 simple steps, how you can create your own new YouTube channel. If you did get some value from this video today, please give it a thumbs up, like it. I would appreciate it, and YouTube will be impressed that you liked it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel while you're at it if you haven't already. We would appreciate it. And take care. Talk to you later.